So in the last lesson, we talked about assets, which represent things that you own, like cash, equipment, vehicles. Now let's talk about liabilities, which represent the stuff that you owe, also referred to as debt. So the textbook definitions are obligations of a company or an organization, amounts that you owe to lenders and suppliers. Liabilities often have the word payable in the account title, and liabilities can include amounts received in advance for a future sale or service to be performed. Think of a deposit that you might receive from a customer. Now, the definition you need to know: liabilities are monies that you owe other people. And whether that is a bank, a credit card company, an employee, an investor, or a client who's just prepaid for services. If you're thinking about your personal life, liabilities that you might have include a credit card balance, your mortgage, your car loan, any bills that you haven't gotten to just yet. These are all liabilities. And whether you're thinking about your personal life or your business, liabilities are a very important part of the accounting equation: assets equal liabilities plus equity. So now you know about liabilities and everything you owe everyone else. So where do you see the total of all those? So on your financials, you'll find the liabilities on the balance sheet. If you found this video helpful, we're real accountants and CPAs who work with hundreds of small business owners just like you every day. Check us out at engagecpas.com to see if we're a good fit for your business. We also have business courses available to help small business owners understand their business. They're for you to learn about your financials, your taxes, how to pick the right entity, tax myths, and everything else about your business. Learn at your own pace. Check those courses out on the Education tab on our website. You can also find us on Instagram at Engage CPAs.